Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video we are going to discuss about writing a shell program to find the largest of three numbers using nested if statement. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. As you can see, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it will ask user to enter three numbers, and when the user enters those three numbers, it will find the largest number out of those three numbers and display the output like this. Largest number is 6. Okay, so now we'll move on to discuss the syntax of nested if statement. So before discussing the syntax, we'll first understand what is nested if statement. So the nested if statement is one of the branching statement where multiple if conditions are nested or included in another if statement. Now let us discuss the syntax of nested if statement. So the syntax of nested if statement starts with the keyword if followed by two open square brackets and a condition. If this first condition becomes true, then control will come inside this if to check for one more condition, which is condition 2. If the condition 2 also becomes true, then control will come inside the if block to execute statement 1. If this condition 2 didn't get satisfied, then control will come to the else block to execute statement 2. Okay. What if this first if condition itself becomes false? If this if condition becomes false, then control will not come inside the if, then control will come to the else block to check for further if condition, which is condition 3. Okay, if this condition 3 becomes true, then control will come inside the if block to execute statement 4, otherwise statement 5 gets executed. Okay, so this is how various statements gets executed under nested if statement. Now I will take those three numbers and I will discuss how we can find out the largest number out of those three numbers by following this syntax. Okay, so first I will consider three variables, let us say n1, n2 and n3. Okay, 5 gets stored inside n1, 3 gets stored inside n2, 6 gets stored inside n3. So now what we will do is, first we will check or make a comparison between n1 and n2. We will find whether n1 is greater than n2. Then we will move ahead to make a comparison between n1 and n3, where we will check whether n1 is greater than n3. Like this we will find out the largest number. So first I will start with if. If n1 is greater than n2, n1 is 5, n2 is 3. 5 is greater than 3? Yes. Now this if condition becomes true, that's why control will come inside the if to check for condition 2. If n1 is greater than n3, n1 is 5 and n3 is 6. Now n1 is not greater than n3. Now the condition becomes false, that's why control will come to else block, where we will print the output as n3 is large, else n3 is large. Okay, if n1 value is greater than n3 value, then control will come inside the if to execute n1 is large message. Okay, now if this first condition itself becomes false, then control will come to else, where we will perform one more if condition, where we will compare n2 and n3. If n2 is greater than n3, okay, n2 is 3, n3 is 6. Okay, 3 is not greater than 6, that's why control will come to else block to print n3 is large. N3 is large. If n2 value is greater than n3 value, let us suppose n2 is 7, Now 7 is greater than 6. In this case, control will come inside the if to print N2 is large message. Okay, close the if. Okay, so we will apply this logic to write a shell program. So every shell program starts with a statement called shebang statement, which is this hash exclamation space forward slash usr forward slash bin forward slash bash. Okay, then I need to write the code to accept those three numbers. First I will accept the first input. I will use read command, read space -p space double quote, enter first number space n1. Next I will ask the user to enter the second number, read space -p space double quote, enter second number n2, then read -p space double quote, enter third number n3. Okay, then I will write this logic, if space 2 open square brackets space $n1 space -gt operator space n2 semicolon, then. Okay, first I am making the comparison between n1 and n2. If this condition becomes true, then I will come inside the if to check for one more condition, if space open square bracket space $n1 space -gt operator space n3 space close these two brackets. Then if both of these condition becomes true, then I will come inside the second if to print n1 is large, $n1 is large, else echo $n3 is large. This if gets closed. Now I will go to else. Okay, if this outer if condition becomes false, then control will come to the else block to check or compare n2 and n3. If space 2 open square brackets n2 space greater than n3 space semicolon, then if this condition becomes true, then I will print echo n2 is large, else echo n3 is large. If gets closed, and now I need to close this first if. Okay, so this is how you can write a shell program to find the largest of three numbers using nested if statement. So I hope you guys have understood this concept. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.